Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And you know we have already started our own tailoring system. So please contact through WhatsApp for any type of customization like gown, designer suit, any type blouses, designer blouses. Please contact through WhatsApp. And you know today I have selected some exclusive smart collections only for you. So let me display. Pure handloom one and very beautiful color combinations, baby pink base, and this one very nice looks, nice trendy looks. Upper portion is tissue layen, silver base tissue layen. This portion is tissue layen base, have sign also, golden zari border, and full base part is silver sign. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted fine golden zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one border portions very trendy looks. This portion is border, pure lane by lane with beautiful golden zari weaving buta design, golden zari border, lane by lane weaving with buta design, and upper base part is tissue lane, silver sign, very trendy and smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, baby pink base. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very bright color combinations, pink shade, magenta pink shade, tissue layen based for your party wear also, have sign, golden sign, very smart bright looks. This one full base part this one is golden zari border and full base part of golden sign. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari with gicha stripes pallu. This portion is pallu stripes pattern, and this one full base part, very bright color combinations, magenta pink with golden sign, golden zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very smart and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarosi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. And this one fully designer piece, very nice looks, fully fine embroidery design, tissue, pure tissue silk contrast piping. This one full base part, golden shade and beautiful fine embroidery design work. And this one is contrast color border, golden tissue silk, pure tissue silk. And this one pallu portions, contrast color patch pallu with beautiful pom-pom design. And this one full base part, very smart looks, golden tissue with beautiful fine embroidery work 4 meter. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart fresh looks. Very beautiful one, bright color combinations, orange shade, tissue zari layen, golden zari border, and full base part is pure handloom zari layen with beautiful weaving buta design, full base part fully hand weaving buta. This one very colorful weaving buta design, golden zari border. And this one pallu portions, fully highlighted weaving fine weaving design work pallu, zari layen weaving. And this one full base part, very bright beautiful looks, have sign also based for your party wear, and full base part is hand weaving buta design. This one is running blouse piece contrast color, and this one is full base part, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one very nice one, soft, comfortable and very elegant color combinations, tissue cotton, highlighted golden zari fine weaving border design, very smart trendy looks. This one full base part, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, based for your daily wear also. And this one is fine golden zari weaving border and full base part, golden sign, shiny material, tissue cotton. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very elegant fresh looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and bright looks. very beautiful one, Dupian tissue silk contrast piping, and full base part is beautiful one, silver sign. And this one full base part, beautiful stitcher weaving pattern, contrast piping, tissue Dupian silk. And this one full base part, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, smart, trendy looks. Have sign also. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu versus contrast color, highlighted stripes, fine stripes pattern pallu with beautiful pom-pom design, and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, smart, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through what in a very bright and fresh looks, shiny material, tissue silk, pure tissue silk contrast piping, very nice trendy one, based for your party wear also. This one full base part have sign, and this one is contrast piping, tissue silk, golden sign, golden tissue silk. And this one pallu portions contrast color pallu green shade, and this one is full base part, very smart bright looks, contrast color piping, pure tissue silk. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and bright looks. For customize your design your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also in a very beautiful one, smart trendy looks, tissue linen material, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, golden zari weaving buta full base part. And this one tissue linen have sign, silver zari border, and beautiful fine golden zari weaving buta design. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very smart, bright, elegant looks. And this one full base part is same weaving buta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work, Banarasi weaving brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fresh looks. Very beautiful one, very bright color combinations, nice looks, tissue cotton material, contrast color, dye border. And this one full base part, very smart looks. This one is full base, and this one is silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful tissue cotton material and have sign also. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color, dye with stripes pattern, highlighted pallu. And this one full base part, very smart, fresh, bright looks. This one is full base part. This one is border portion, silver zari contrast color, dye border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one, very bright color combinations, based for your party wear, function wear also. Tissue linen material, golden sign, ready shade, maroon golden shade. And this one full base part, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen, golden zari border, golden sign, full base, very nice bright looks. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, fully gicha patch pallu. This one is pallu portions, fully gicha weaving, and this one full base part, very bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy bright looks. And today I have dipped a beautiful elegant color combination saree, tissue Dupian tissue silk, golden silver zari border, and full base part silver sign, very soft, comfortable. Full base part is plain with silver zari border. And this one pallu portions, fully silver zari stripes pattern pallu, very nice fresh looks, beautiful color combinations, beautiful saree. Same saree, same blouse with earrings. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.